Welcome, viewers, to my channel this week. Um, Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. That is the only benefit I get from creating content. Please assist and help us grow. I will believe we always get the best from this channel. And believe me, if you are able to dedicate your time and be serious with what we are doing here, you will learn a lot. So do well to subscribe to the channel. What I'm here to teach you today is how to easily fix a screen on the phone. Yes, fix it easily without having any damage. First, you dismantle the phone. I'll show you a video, the process of dismantling the phone that has a damaged screen, and I will do that in my next video. But meanwhile, let me show you how to fix a screen that is damaged. So what you do, you get your screen ready after removing the old one. Then make sure the interface, as you can see the Chrome, make sure the interface is properly scraped if a screen has been fixed before. But if it's not fixed before, which means it's a plain slate, it will be easier for you to fix. But if it's a Chrome that the screen have been fixed before, make sure, do well to scrape the interface very well. Reason because if you refuse to scrape it very well, you will still have some particles there. You might fix the screen after successfully fixing the screen. In an attempt to close it down, it will break, and you know what that means. It has ruined your work, it has ruined your happiness for that day, it has ruined your day. So to avoid that, make sure the Chrome is properly cleaned before fixing your screen. Then you get your Chrome ready, and you get a paper tape. You can use both the paper tape and the gum, screen gum. This paper tape and the screen gum together to ensure that the screen don't have any problem, maybe pulling after fixing, it should be very bad. And after that, you see how I fixed the paper, fix round, then remove the outer paper, so that it can gum both inside and outside. Remove the outer paper gently, yes, gently, and make sure that the gum is at the edge where you place the screen. It's at the edge. Reason because you can fix some screen, after fixing some screen you will find out that there are lights coming up from the screen. When you on the phone, you see lights by the side of the screen. To avoid all those stuff, that is why it's good to use paper tape most times. Then it tapes the side of the screen. When it tapes the side of the screen, then it will prevent those lights from coming out. As you can see, after fixing it, you take a gum. Yes, at the edge, you add little gum at the edge. Gum it round. Gum it very well. Then you be careful while applying gum, so that it will not be too much, and then it enters the screen. You know, most times this screen they sell, Some they bring refurbished screen, while some might give you original screen. You don't know. Most times it's only the seller that can tell you this is the main screen. And sometimes it's the ones that are available that you can fix for your customer. But you don't want, whether it's the main screen or it's the refurbished screen, you make sure that it's fixed properly, because it will go a long way to credit your work. So even if you have to fix the screen and there is issue on it, you can easily remove it. That is why most times it's good to use paper tape. You remove it well, clean it, and return it back. Return it to the seller. So this is what I observed. It's good to do it well. So after fixing the screen, let's confirm if the screen is going to work. Let's see if the screen is going to work right now. After confirming it, and secondly, why fixing a screen? Don't forget, why buying a screen, do well to test your screen before leaving the shop. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Most times you have to pay transport from a distant place to get your screen. Probably due to the trust you have on the seller, you just buy and leave. The seller might even tell you that it's the best you have in the market, it's the best, and you have that confidence. But you get home, you find out that there could be a crack on the screen, or a line on the screen, or the screen is malfunctioning, and you know what that means. You have to go back and start explaining, and most times you have to pay huge amounts to go back to where you bought it, and it also steals your time. You need this time. Time is money. You need it. So that is why most times it is very, very important that you get this thing tested before you leave there. And most times, to prevent arguments from the seller, the customer, while you test it, you will know if there is issue before you fix. Because most times you will fix a screen that is not good from the beginning, and you return it. They will tell you it's because you've gummed it. For that reason, they can't take it. And it's because you fixed it on the phone. For that reason, they can't take it, which is not supposed to be. Then you won't be happy that after you fix that screen, you have to go through that process again to check if it's working after you fixed. So that's what you're supposed to do at the beginning. You test first before you fix. It has saved many souls. Yes. You don't have any argument. Just tell the person. Then if there is a fault from you, you just know I've made a mistake. There is no wrong admitting your mistake. Yes. As long as you know you did the right thing, but there was a mistake, it will help you to learn more. It will help you to remain firm in your work. It will help you a long way. If you don't do that, find out that in the end, you won't be able to get the best out of it. Admit when you're wrong. You say, please, this is what I was doing. Then something like this happened. Boom, the screen is on. Okay, you don't just look at the screen is on. No, just calm down, relax, and see what's up. The screen might on and the screen will not touch, and you can't deliver it to a customer like that. You just hold on and see if the thing will work completely. Yeah, give it some time to nurture before you fix completely. Nurture. You see, let's say it's working. Yeah. Yes, it's working. Pull down, pull out. You drag to the left, you drag to the right. You look for other features to confirm. Hey, let's see the model of the phone. You go to the model, you check. That's all.